some 7 or 8 years ago. I think it was January 16, 2013, and I saw Space Shuttle Columbia, the launching of Space Shuttle Columbia, and I thought that I should do the same thing, or at least try. And this is what I did.
And never come back because there's the escape velocity for Earth. But I'm not a NASA rocket. What I can do, I'll jump out with 4 meters per second. You find out how high will I go.
I was thinking myself as a rocket. I was thinking myself as a rocket. If rocket can move up, I should be able to do the same thing, or at least can I try? So I was jumping up with velocity 4 meters per second, and one thing I want to let you know, that the escape velocity for Earth, the escape velocity is 11.2 kilometers per second. That's the escape velocity for Earth. Good. Now, if I did jump off with 11.2 kilometers per second, then it would be like that. I would be moving up, and up only. But that was not the case. My velocity was only 4 meters per second. So I was moving up, stopping, and returning the home. If you ignore the air resistance, this is a perfect parabola. Okay. So then what is the velocity right here? At the point where I change the direction. Of course, velocity on the top, or maximum height, is 0. Okay, so now I think we would be able to find how high did I go. This is what we are trying to find. How high did I go? All right, so to find it, let's see what we can do. We can use one of the kinematics formula. Vf squared is equal to Vi squared plus 2AD. So Vf squared is 0. Why Vf squared is 0? Because I would be changing the direction at some maximum height, we call h. Why I would be changing the direction? Because my velocity is much less than escape velocity of the Earth. So I would not be moving up and up and up, not changing the direction. I would be, in fact, changing the direction at maximum height. And that's the maximum height is that what we are solving for. Okay. And this acceleration is acceleration due to gravity, so we are using a special notation g. So Vf squared is 0. So 0 is equal to Vi initial velocity. I'm jumping with 4 meters per second. So it's 4 meters per second square plus 2 negative 10 meters per second square, and this is h. All right, so 0 is equal to 16 meter square over second square minus the maximum height. The maximum height is 0.8 meters. All right, so how high did I go? 0.8 meters. Not so much, but why don't you try to see how high you can go? So let's start jumping up. Right? I did jump up in 2013. If you do it now 2021 and you check it like 7 years later, you will find it very interesting. Thank you.